What's going on, guys? I'm Roadmaster, and today, as you can see, it is a rainy day. You probably can't see on camera, but it is raining. If you look here, yep, that's rain droplets on the car. So it is raining, so I'm gonna stand under this canopy right here. But today we are going to be going over the list of stuff that we are doing to the Mustang right there. And let's go. Can't really do it while it's covered, so yeah, we'll get this thing uncovered. Alright guys, so now that the car is uncovered, and first thing you guys might notice is that there are no badges on the car right now. I'm still in the process of making this video, but another Project Silver 2 valve will be coming out after this video. We're going to be painting the badges black, so that's the dead giveaway right there. The next video coming out, but I will be wearing the same clothing in that one. So it's all recorded in the same day, so don't get any weird stuff. You guys know what I'm talking about. But all right, so yeah, that's what's happening. That's one thing we're doing to the car. The second thing is going to be a video that's going to take a little bit longer, but during the 4 months I wasn't doing YouTube, I just started to interior swap this car. So I painted the door sills black, these back here, this whole panel, because that's really hard to find. You can see the paint chipping off from the door right there, but not that noticeable. And I have two brand new, well, not brand new, but two door handles from, you guys can't really see it with it. Let me get my flashlight. Two door handles from a guy selling a full interior on Craigslist. So I got those, and I got the door handles from LMR. Shout out to LMR for those nice looking door handles. So really, the only thing left to do in here is to do the Sunvisors, because they really need replacing bad. I mean, that is disgusting. And I have replacement ones, but they are gray, so I don't know if I'm going to use them yet, or if I'm just going to leave them gray for now, because the new ones are $80. And like this has a mirror, and the $80 ones do not have a mirror. So I mean, a mirror's not that important because I don't look at myself anyway. But the last thing we're gonna do is we need to do the steering wheel, the dashboard, and the center console. But I could do the center console now, but there's no point if we have to take it out when we have to do the dashboard. So I'm hopefully gonna start that tonight. So that'll be a video a couple days in the making. I don't know when it's gonna be released, but as soon as it does, I'll probably do 3 parts. Probably do the dashboard, and the center console might be one video, and then the steering wheel might be another video. I don't know yet though. And then just this stuff, you gotta take this out anyway when you do the dashboard. So that's why I left that all gray. I didn't use that, or I didn't swap it out yet. The thing I want to do is lower the car, because as you can see, this wheel gap is, yeah, I can fit my whole hand in there. Yeah, so we're gonna get rid of that, lower it about 2.5 inches over the winter, because this thing is going to be in a Autorama in March. So I want to get all this done before March. This thing is gonna get fully detailed the week before the show, which isn't till for a couple months yet, at least half a year yet. So we got time, but I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but there is acid rain. Yeah, it won't pick it up. There's acid rain all over this thing, and swirls and everything. But yeah, so this thing, and the windows are terrible. You can't, they don't really come out on camera, but maybe up there you can see, like right there, acid rain. So we gotta get that fixed. And this thing will, I'm waiting till Black Friday to buy the coilovers to this thing. It's gonna get SVE coilovers. Might as well spill the beans now. And I got these floor dollies. I got these dollies because, like, obviously I don't want to drive it out into that, especially when the roof leaks on the back. The roof probably won't get done for quite some time, because I do need to replace the whole top, because this right here leaks, and I tried to fix it with silicone, but that obviously didn't work. So the roof is gonna probably be a next year's winter project, but I mean, I think it's fine right now without the roof because I just don't drive it on rainy days. It's just I don't see the point in spending $1,200 on a roof right now when I don't need it. When I'm not even driving it. But I am going to get I want to get a cloth roof, which came on the Cobras, and I have to see, but I'm pretty sure you can swap them. I'm pretty sure I can get a cloth roof for this, so I want to do that since I have to replace it anyway. And I think that's it for so far for what I'm going to do. And then engine mods are going to be probably in the summer next year. So once the aesthetics are done, we'll focus on the engine. But eventually I might pro-charge it, maybe do some bolt-ons or supercharge it. So yeah, I don't know yet on that, but we are going to take this one piece at a time and focus on the interior and lowering the car. I'm pointing to the car and I'm showing you my face. Focus on the interior and the suspension so far. And I also want to get some subframe connectors to stiffen the chassis. So like these, as you can see, these are starting to rust too. So I'm going to replace these subframe connectors with full body ones, full length body ones, and I'm gonna get them welded in because bolted in they're but I heard if you get them welded in, it stiffens the body up a lot, so that's gonna be a project to do. Alright, so as far as the stuff that I got done while I wasn't taking a break from YouTube, it was mostly in the back here. I got the taillights tinted, and I got this vinyl done here and here. I said that in my last video. And I just got a license plate cover. That's no big deal, which I did crack putting it on. You can't see it, but it's right here. Sorry for the bad lighting, guys. I need to get some LEDs in this garage. But right here, I cracked it putting the screw in. So yeah, that's kind of a bummer, but oh well. Let's see, what else did I do? I think I did do a cold air intake, actually. Let me show you guys that. I got the SVE cold air intake, which actually works pretty good, and there's a lot of smudge marks on here. But there it is right there. It's the black one because I was going with the theme here, black and silver, so I had to carry it down to the engine bay. Don't pay attention to how dirty it is over here because I need to clean this. I haven't cleaned it since I got the car, so yeah, that goes down into the fender, all the way down, really close to the ground actually. So that's it for that, and I think that's gonna be it for this video. So if you guys liked it, please leave a like, comment, any questions you guys have for me, and subscribe for more content, and follow me on Instagram at 67roadmaster. So that's it. I'll see you guys on the roads.